American Red Cross, we here in Fullerton, we house some of their trailers as well as some of their vans. If we do have a fire where there's a family that's displaced, we're able to call out the Red Cross, and they help facilitate those families in placing them in a temporary home.
So actually we are aware of it. At our department, we've actually been given smoke detectors from the Red Cross. Those smoke detectors have been given to us so that hopefully when we go to other houses, we can go ahead and inform them of if they have a smoke detector out, whether they need a new one or they don't have one at all, that they can go down to our local headquarters and pick one up.